Hello student, Hemant Sir is here. So today we are going to start the new part of our chapter called Arithmetic Progression. So in previous video we have understood about how to find the nth term. Okay. So now we will understand now how to find the sum of first n terms of arithmetic progression. Okay. So it is going to be very interesting. Okay. So we have to find the sum of first n terms of arithmetic progression. Okay. So for that we have the formula for the calculation of sum of first n terms, which is Sn. What is Sn? It is a sum of n terms equals to, it is twice of a. It is twice of a. A is what? It is the first term. Okay. Or here first we have to write the n divided by 2. N divided by 2. N is the nth term into twice a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. This is the formula for calculating sum of first n term, where Sn is sum of first n terms. Then we have a. A is what? A is first term. First term. What is d? D is the common difference. Common difference. Okay. So write down this formula because this is the very important, because on that basis we will solve some solved problem as well as the problem in our practice set. Okay. So if here we can see that here we have n, the formula for Tn. Tn is what? Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d. So here we have, if we will forget this two part, okay, so here we have a plus n minus 1 into d. So if we have to find the sum of first n term, then we have to derive one more formula. Okay. So the formula we have Sn equals to n divided by 2 into twice a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So here we can write that since a plus n minus 1 into d equals to Tn. Okay. So here we can write as, so Sn equals to n divided by 2. See, 2a is what? 2a is nothing but a plus a. 2a is what? A plus a plus n minus 1 into d. So see, this is the part. Okay. Instead of this part we can write Tn over here. Okay. So Sn equals to n divided by 2 into a plus, what is a plus n minus 1 into d? A plus n minus 1 into d is Tn. So here we have to write Tn. Okay. So this is one more formula for calculating the sum of first n term. Okay. For that we have to know the first term and the last term. Okay. So here we can write also as a is what? A is first term. Therefore Sn equals to n divided by 2 into a. What is a? A is T1. So instead of a we can write Tn. T1, it is first term, plus Tn. Okay. If you know the first term and last term, you can directly calculate the sum of n term. Okay. There here T1 is first term, Tn is last term. What is Sn is sum and n is the number of terms. Okay, so this is the two formulas. One is this one, this is the first formula, and this is the second formula by which we can calculate the sum of first n terms. Okay, so write down this formula because they are very important. So students, now we are going to solve few solved problems so that you will understand the concept behind the sum of first n numbers, which must be in arithmetic progression. Okay, so first solved problem we have, find the sum of first n natural numbers. Okay, so solution. So we know what are natural number. Natural number, they start from 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. So we have natural number start from 1. So first number will be 1, then 2, 3, 4 dot up to n. Up to n. And we have to find the sum of first n natural number. Okay. So first number will be 1 and last number will be n. Therefore, A, which is equals to T1, A is nothing but T1, that is term 1, is 1. The common difference, that is D, equals to, it is T2 minus T1. What is T2? T2 is 2. So D equals to 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So common difference is 1. So we have common difference, we have first term. So we can calculate the sum of first n term. Okay. Now we have formula. Okay. So by using any one of the formula from this, we can calculate the sum of first n term. So see here we have the first term as well as last term. So we can use this formula. Okay. So formula will be Sn equals to n divided by 2 into T1 plus Tn. Okay, now solution. So we have formula, it is Sn equals to n divided by 2 into first term plus last term. Okay, so Sn, sum of first n natural number equals to n divided by 2 into, what is T1? T1 is term 1 and which is 1. So here we have to write 1 plus Tn, the Tn is n. So here we have to write again Tn, that is the nth term is n. So n. Okay, so this is nothing but our solution. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, so the sum of first n term is n divided by 2, or we can write it again as n equals to n into 1 minus n, 1 plus n divided by 2. Okay, it is our answer. Okay, so write down. So we have to write the result also. Okay, हम result भूल गए थे. So result will be so what will be the result? The sum of first n natural number is Sn equals to n into 1 plus n divided by 2. Okay, it is our answer. Okay, so now write down. Okay, so now we are going to solve the second solved problem, which is very important. It is the conceptual part. Okay, so first we have to write in solution. See, the question is find the sum of first and even natural number. So what are even natural numbers? So those numbers they are divisible by 2 are called as even natural numbers. Okay, so the first term is 2, then we have 4, then we have 6, then we have 8, up to it is 2n. What is 2n? हमने यहाँ पर 2 क्यों लिया है? क्योंकि n जो नेचुरल नंबर है वो हमेशा मल्टीपल किसका होगा? 2 का होगा. That is the condition of even number. Okay, so the last term will be 2n. So what we have? We have a equals to 2. We have common difference. So 4 minus 2 is 2. We have last term, that is tn equals to we have 2n. Okay, so what we have to find? We have to find the sum of what we have to find? We have to find sum of first and even natural number. Even natural numbers. Okay, now we have formula. See, again we have first term as well as last term. So we will use the second formula. Okay, so what will be the formula? It is Sn equals to n divided by 2 into t1, which is the first term, plus last term, that is tn. Okay, now we have to solve. Solution. So first we have to write a formula. What is formula? It is Sn equals to n divided by 2 into t1 plus tn. Okay, since Sn equals to, see, Sn equals to we have n divided by 2 into, what is t1? T1 is nothing but a. T1 is nothing but first term, and which is 2. So here we have to write 2 plus tn. What is tn? Tn is 2n. So here we have to write 2n. So Sn equals to n divided by 2 into 6. Here we had 2 and here again we had 2. So we will take 2 common. So into 2 we have taken common. What will remain here? 1 plus here n. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So Sn equals to n into 1 plus n. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so this is the answer, sum of the first even natural number. Okay, अगर यहाँ पर आपको 20 natural number का calculation करना है, so you just put 20 here, so you will get answer. Okay, so we have to write the result. So what will be the result? The sum of first even natural number is Sn equals to n into 1 plus n. Okay, or we can again simplify it as Sn equals to n into 1 is n plus n into n is n square. So here we can write at n square plus n, or Sn equals to n square plus n. So this is one more answer for this solution. Okay, so we can use this one or this one, we will get our answer. Okay, so write down now. Now the problem number 3 says find the sum of first n odd natural number. Okay, So odd natural number are so odd natural numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7 up to 6. Even natural number क्या था? It is 2n. If we will subtract 1, see पहले था 2, so 2 में से हमने 1 माइनस किया, so we got 1. Then 3 में 2 minus 1 is 1. So हमने यहाँ पर क्या किया? एक्चुअल में 2 से 1 को सब्सट्रैक्ट किया, so we got 1. Okay, it is an odd number. Then 4 था सेकेंड नंबर, so 4 minus 1 is 2. So 3, it is 3. So क्या हो रहा है? एक्चुअल में हम ऑड नंबर इवन नंबर से 1 को सब्सट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं and we are getting the odd number. That means 2n से हम 1 को सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे, then we will get the odd number, which is the last odd number. Okay, so this will be our arithmetic progression. So here we have t1, that is a, and which is equals to 1. Then we have last term, that is tn equals to, what is tn? It is 2n minus 1. Then we have d. What is d? 3 minus 1 is 2. So d is, that is the common difference is 2. Now we have to write 2 find. What we have to find? The sum of first and odd number. Okay, now we have to use formula. Okay, we can use both the formula for the derivation of sum of first odd natural number, but here we have first number as well as last number, so we will use the second formula. Okay, the formula will be Sn equals to n divided by 2 into term 1, that is t1, plus tn, that is the last term. Okay, now we are going to solve the question now. So solution. What is first formula? It is Sn equals to n divided by 2 into t1 plus tn. So Sn equals to, we have n divided by 2 into, what is t1? T1 is 1, so here we have to write 1 plus tn is 2n minus 1. It is 2n minus 1. So Sn equals to n divided by 2. See, it is positive 1, negative 1 will get cancelled. So we have n minus 2 into 2n. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So we have n into n. So Sn equals to n into n, or Sn equals to n square. Okay. So it is the formula for the sum of first natural number. Okay. So we have answer. So we have to write result now. So what will be the result? The sum of first and odd natural number is Sn equals to n square. Okay, and it is our answer. Okay, so students, this is the way we have to apply our formulas. If we have first term as well as last term, then we will use this formula, which is Sn equals to n divided by 2 into term 1 plus term 2. And if we do not have the last term, then we have to use that formula, that is Sn equals to n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so this is the really very easy formula. Just you have to remember the formula and where to apply. You can solve the problem easily. Okay, so write down. So students, आज के लिए इतना ही. In next video we will cover the practice set. Okay, so bye for now. If you want to write, you can write or take a screenshot.